What's up guys? So, nandito tayo sa may Black Fruits. Tapos may 9:16. Sabi na, pasok na ako. Pero ito guys, nakuha ko na yung blue flower, yellow flower, saka red flower. Tapos nakukuha na natin yung V3. Google na lang natin. Pera natin ng 200 million. Natin na 500. Hello. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. And that's it guys. See you in the next video.